Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindsay. I'm a licensed esthetician and I'm here to help you with your skincare and wellness needs. Today I want to talk about our overall health and wellness and our skincare and how they are related. Our skin is our largest organ. It covers our bones, our muscles, fat, etc. It is our protection from things outside of our body. Our overall health and wellness can affect our skin and its appearance. And also, what happens to our skin and anything that affects our skin can also affect what happens inside our bodies. When you put something on your skin and it is absorbed, most likely it's going to penetrate through your skin and through the layers and be absorbed into your body and most likely into your bloodstream. So that is why we must pay attention to the substances that we come in contact with and also be mindful of how we handle each substance. For example, if you touch a surface with your bare hand that contains bleach, that bleach will absorb into your skin and penetrate into your body and can be in your bloodstream within 30 seconds. That then can cause a multitude of issues. You could have illness from that getting into your bloodstream. Hopefully that doesn't happen, but it could leave you with skin irritation, chemical burns. Those are very bad, and possibly permanent damage, because if it does burn your skin, most likely that'll happen if you do not get it removed properly in a timely manner. Then you're going to have some permanent damage and probably scarring. It is very important to know your skin and how to properly take care of it. So my advice to you would be to educate yourself on your skin type, in your skincare needs. You can ask your doctor or a skincare professional near you to help you become more educated about skin types and different conditions, different issues, or just your overall basic skincare needs. You also need to familiarize yourself with your body, your health, and your wellness needs. Great skin cannot be obtained by just focusing on the surface. Good and effective skincare, along with proper diet and wellness products, create a wonderful balance. Now, I have dealt with many health issues in my life, and that gave me the desire to not only improve my own health and wellness, but then maybe want to help others to do that for themselves. And then when I went into skincare, I had a greater understanding of how those all went together and how the importance of taking care of your overall wellness went along with your skin's health, and taking care of your skin then in turn can help with your overall wellness. But you also have to find that balance. So it's my mission to not only provide amazing skincare services and products, but also to provide knowledge and resources to help people maintain a healthy balance between their body and their skin. So I took some time to research skin and what it's all about, and as well as going to school to be an esthetician. I had to do a lot more research outside of school, but I just made that a goal to really fully understand it. I also, when I got into the business, I asked my clients as well as people around me many questions about their lifestyles, what types of environments they were commonly exposed to, and different things like that. I also researched like the effects our diet has on our health and as well as our skin. One major point that I noticed is that our skin and things that happen to our skin can be a big indicator of major health issues. And in the past, there have been a few situations where I noticed a sudden change in a client's appearance, something major on their skin that was a red flag for me. And I just calmly told them that I noticed this and that they may want to bring that up to their doctor. And then they were able to find out if it was something serious or if it could be treated. And in most cases, it came out that it was something treatable. And then they were able to come back to me once the issue was treated, and then I could take care of their skin to maybe, reduce any scarring or anything like that. I can safely say that none of the issues that some of my clients had were so serious that they were life-threatening. I would now like to discuss with you the importance of a home skincare regimen. Now, I do encourage that you try to see a skincare professional on a somewhat regular basis, whatever that means for you, to basically just help you to make sure that you're doing everything you're supposed to be doing with your skin and to address any issues that should arise. Sometimes changes of seasons can cause things to happen, or you've had a diet change or health issue, whatever it may be. But maintaining a regular home skincare regimen helps between visits to your skincare professionals. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it should be something that you add to your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. And with that being said, doing your skincare regimen right after you brush your teeth is probably the best time, because when you brush your teeth and you're flicking your toothbrush around, that can cause some bacteria to come out of your mouth, and it can then deposit onto your skin. And if you don't clean it off, it's going to sit there and it's going to rest there. So this can cause issues, later on, where you can get irritations, blemishes, things like that. So what I recommend is that you brush your teeth, and as soon as you're done brushing your teeth, you wash your hands. And with my products, I like them to be applied with damp hands. So after you wash your hands, just leave them a little bit wet. Put your cleanser in your hand and apply your cleanser as directed on your product. So you do also need to make sure that you're following the instructions on your product. So if it says to apply with dry hands, you apply with dry hands. Most of the products I've seen work well with damp hands, but you should always follow the instructions. Then once you apply and rinse off the cleanser, I always pat dry. You don't want to rub, just pat dry, or sometimes I just let it air dry. And then you can follow up with a moisturizer. Some people like to add in a toner there. It just depends on how your skin feels. That's something you can discuss with your skincare provider. If you need a toner in there. Like, that was kind of drilled into my head when I was in school, but after doing a lot of research with my own products, there are some products that I use that will help to maintain your pH balance or help get it back into balance, so you won't need the toner all the time. That's just an extra step that people don't always want to have to do. But if you choose to not use the toner and you just do the moisturizer, then that's it. That's your skincare regimen right there, and it's so simple. Now, I do also encourage that you use some kind of exfoliant once or twice a week, and that again shouldn't have to be complicated adding that in. So the way I do it is I keep my facial scrub, and I use a gentle facial scrub, and I would recommend that, especially if you're younger or if you have sensitive skin, do a gentle scrub. I keep my facial scrub in my shower, and because I shower about twice a week, about every 2 to 3 days, that's when I do my exfoliating. And it's so simple. I usually have to let my conditioner sit on my hair for a few minutes, and that's just enough time for me to exfoliate and get my face all nice and, smooth and refreshed. So that really, it doesn't take much extra time, if at all, for me, because I'm spending that time in the shower just waiting for my conditioner to sit on my hair anyway. And to be honest, I have time to do my exfoliant and my body wash before having to rinse off my conditioner. So that, again, does not add any more time, and it doesn't make anything any more complicated. If you get to a point that you feel the need to add products to your regimen, I strongly suggest that you talk to your skincare provider and find out what it is that you might need. So say you get to the point where you're doing your regular skincare regimen and you just feel like you need a little something extra. Your skin's just not quite where it wants to be, and you've been going to an esthetician, but you still need something else. Ask your esthetician. You could do it right in the middle of a facial. I have clients ask me all the time. I tell them to speak up if there's anything they want to know while they're in here thinking about it. If you're starting to have an issue with your skin and you feel that you need to add some sort of supplements to your diet, or you need to change something, or if there's an issue with your skin, you don't understand what's causing it, bring that up to your esthetician or some skincare professional, or your doctor. Because like I said before, something that's on your skin could be an indicator of something that's inside that's not right. So that should all be discussed. But when you want to add a product or something to your regimen, definitely discuss it with somebody that knows what they're talking about, and then slowly add it in. I have added in a serum and an eye cream to my regimen. I don't use the eye cream all the time, and the serum is about every other day, but I added them in one at a time. I wanted to get my skin used to these products because they were not the regular products for my regimen. They were added products to enhance my skincare. So once you have established your skincare regimen, make sure that you're also being mindful of your diet as well as any supplements you may need. Now that is something you can mention to your skincare professional, but as a skincare professional myself, I'm not a doctor, but I do have a little bit of education about how your body and things in your body affect your skin. But I can't diagnose anything. I can suggest to you that I think what you have is a vitamin deficiency because you have the symptoms, but that is something you need to go to your doctor with. And also mention to your doctor if you have started a new skincare regimen, so that way if you do have any effects from any of the products you use, the doctor can quickly treat it, and then you can take the information back to your skincare professional to then change up whatever they need to. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and go to my channel and subscribe so you can see more of my wonderful videos and maybe learn a thing or two. Have a great day.